Hello, this is James Smith at GANanalysis.net. Today we're looking at XLE. That's the Spider Energy Select Sector Fund ETF. This is a basket of energy stocks. It's breaking out here now above the June 2014 high. You should be looking for a big move up, provided it manages to hold above this former high at 50.76. We're trading up around 51 area now, and I think it's a real breakout, but I can be wrong. The market's never wrong, so go with the market. If it stays above this level and it continues to rally, that's a good sign that energy stocks are the place you want to be. Now, if you want the complete report on energy stocks, hit the shop button on the website GANanalysis.net and try it out for a month or 3 months. Your choice. What do you have to lose? I saw this coming back here. I could see that it was just over a 5-year cycle, low to higher low, setting up a rally. So my clients knew about this, and they especially knew about it at the end of the year. If you become a client, I'll explain to you why I was able to see this rally coming. So keep in mind, I do have price targets for this rally, not just for XLE, but a range of energy stocks that you'll want to see before you make your investment decision. So remember, this is not a day trade. We're looking at a big rally for energy stocks. So I definitely think you're going to want to see the report. So, it beats a poke in the eye with a sharp stick. So if you would like, try it out. If you don't like, just listen to the talking heads on CNBC and see where that gets you.